I'm Samiع, wife of Samiع ابراہیم. As most of us know, he has been abducted many days ago. Samiع ابراہیم is a well-renowned journalist working in USA and Pakistan. We have contacted all the relative authorities, but so far we have not heard anything positive. Me and my children are very concerned and distressed about his disappearance. My 12-year-old child asks me every day where my dad is, when he will come home, when I will be able to hug him. That made me cry. Every passing moment is increasing in our distress and posing risk to his health, as he has severe heart condition, he has diabetes, he has hypertension along with others. He also has a post-COVID complications. I'm pleading to everyone living in cities, state, any country around the globe, that if anyone knows about the Sami's, any clues, please contact us. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Samiع, wife of Samiع ابراہیم. As most of us know, he has been